In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to perform paired samples t-test using XLDA analyst. The paired samples t-test is when we compare two variables from the same population or two different variables from populations or groups which are connected in some logical way. In marketing, the classical example which requires paired samples t-test is preferences of customers. For example, do customers prefer more one brand over a different brand? So when we compare preferences for different brands or products or services, typically it requires independent samples t-test. In XLDA analyst terms, it's comparing two variable averages. A unique thing about the paired samples t-test that before we proceed to any tests, we need to make a pair, because we can compare only two variables. In our case, let's compare the preference for supercycle one-seed hybrid and the preference to standard four-seed hybrid. We make a pair, and now this pair will be tested. If we need to make more pairs or if we need to make more comparisons, we simply make more pairs and keep on adding them, and the software will test all of them. Let's just test this one for demonstration purpose. The significance level is below 0.05, which means we reject the null hypothesis for the two preferences being equal, which means they are not equal. Indeed, the software gives us a visual clue that the two preferences are different, and we see from the results that the averages for the preference for standard four-seed hybrid is 5, and the preference for supercycle one-seed hybrid is only 3.3, and those are statistically different.